everyone, Christmas time and purchasing gifts can be so stressful, especially when we overspend on gifts. Obviously, if you're trying to hack the rat race and get out of the grind as soon as possible, then Christmas can be even more stressful because you want to give great gifts, but you don't want it to set you back. I have a list of 90 Christmas gift ideas in several categories so you can find the perfect gift for someone, especially if you're looking for gifts that people will love that don't cause a lot of clutter. And if you stay to the end, I'll give you a bonus gift idea for people who have everything and are impossible to buy for. So let's jump right in. Hey everyone, this is Lauren Mack with Hacking the Rat Race, and I would love for you to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. The first category of gifts is experiences. These are my favorite gifts. Several years ago, my dad was diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. And from that point forward, my parents decided instead of giving gifts at Christmas, we had experiences or memory trips depending on the year. They could have been big or small, but the point was spending time together, which is something you'll always remember, and time is something you can never get back. These gifts can be very inexpensive or very expensive depending on the amount of money you plan on spending. The first one is concert tickets. The second one is movie night or movie passes. The third one is a family fishing trip. The fourth one is bowling night or bowling passes. The fifth one is painting with a twist or a painting party. The sixth one is sporting event tickets. The seventh is a trip to the zoo. Eighth is a spa day. Ninth is a coffee date. 10th is amusement park tickets. 11th could be a family camping trip. 12, a city tour. 13, rock climbing gym. 14, tickets to an escape room. 15, a date night out. 16, a picnic at the park. 17, a family staycation. Basically where you stay in the city that you live in and you do all the touristy things in your area. 18 is a manicure pedicure. 19 is a massage day. 20 is the comedy club. 21 is water park tickets. 22 is a session with a family photographer. 23 is mini golf. 24 is orchestra or symphony tickets. 25 is community theater or theater tickets. 26 is a round of golf. 27 is ski lift tickets or a ski trip. 28 is a trampoline park. 29 is laser tag. 30 is paintball tickets. 31 is a boat rental for a day. 32 is a family trip. 33, horseback riding. 34, a brunch date. 35, a home movie date with popcorn and candy. And 36 is tickets to a speaking event. Now, the second category is service. People love these gifts because they save them time and oftentimes are stress relievers because they're things people don't enjoy doing themselves. So for number 37 is a yard service, 38 is a house cleaner, 39 is a meal service, 40 is babysitting, 41 is pet sitting, 42 is a car wash, 43 is an oil change, 44 would be meal prep. 45 is a professional organizer. The third category is memberships. This is the gift that keeps on giving. People love these gifts. A, because they don't cause a lot of clutter, and B, because they can continue to get so much enjoyment out of them. So, to keep on the list, 46 would be a membership to Amazon Prime. 47 is a membership to a state park. 48 is membership to a streaming service like Netflix or Hulu or Disney Plus. 49 is a membership to a community pool. 50 is the YMCA. 51 is a gym membership. 52, a theme park annual membership. That is a great option for families. 53 is a membership to national parks. 54 is a food service membership like Blue Apron or HelloFresh. 55 is vegetable delivery. 56 is CrossFit or exercise membership. 57 is an Apple One membership. 58 is a museum membership. This could be a science museum, children's museum, art museum. Some cities even have a museum membership which includes all types of museums in that city. 59 is an annual sample box membership like Ipsy or Dollar Shave Club. 60 would be an Audible membership. 61 would be AAA. 62 would be an online learning subscription like Masterclass or lynda.com. And 63 would be a wine club. The fourth category is classes, and this is my second favorite type of gifts. This is also a gift that keeps on giving, but also encourages people to grow in many different areas. Besides attending a class they're interested in, the knowledge they gain will stick with them forever. So back to our list, number 64 would be yoga classes, 65 cooking classes, 66 winemaking classes, 67 homebrewing classes, 68 dance classes, 69 sports lessons like golf, tennis, swimming, martial arts, 7 is baking classes, 71 is singing lessons, 72 is coding classes, 73 would be getting a private instructor for whatever they're interested in, 74 would be music classes like guitar, piano, 75 is magic lessons, 76 is acting or comedy classes, 77 is foreign language classes, 78 is art lessons like painting, ceramics, stained glass, 79 is a scuba diving certification class, 80 is photography class, and 81 is a personal finance or investing class. The fifth category is traditional gifts. If the people in your life aren't big into experiences, services, or classes, then this category is gifts that you can give that anyone will love. 82 would be wine, 83 baked treats, 84 craft beers, 85 fine chocolates, 86 flowers, 87 gift cards, 88 fine coffee beans, 89 fine liquors, 90 homemade personal items. This could be like giving someone a journal, making them a scrapbook, a photo book, something that is sentimental. And now we're on to the sixth category. And this is another one of my favorites, especially for people who don't really want or need anything for Christmas. And that is giving. You can ask them what is a charity they would love to have a donation made in their honor. Then you donate to that charity. This is a special gift because it's giving back to those who need it, and it's also a cause that is important to the person receiving the gift. I normally just give a card and put the donation receipt inside the card. So 91, your bonus is charitable donations. The important thing is if you're trying to escape the rat race is to budget for Christmas ahead of time and really stick to it. From the list of items here, some are almost free, literally just giving your time, up to family trips, which are huge and are amazing, but I would only do this if you can afford it. I want to hear from you. Do you have any gift ideas that I missed? If so, share them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos on money, saving, and investing. And I'll see you in the next video.